to add the style inside, to use the style functionality, the style features inside the module. So let's say, for instance, this is your module. Let's add the text here. So let's just add one text. So this one is going to be our heading text, heading text, and then our main page. Or let's, for instance, welcome to our website. Yeah. So now copy this value only there. Let's say, for instance, we give it a, let's say, give it a h1. We paste there. So preview. So it looks like this. Welcome to our website. So now, how do you use the style from HubSpot? So we have the field. This is just for the field that we use here. And then we have the style fields. So you mustn't confuse between the two. So the style fields are here. So now I'm going to delete some of the stuff that you created already. So once you start it, it's going to look like this. You click create style. Style. You can give it a different name, but you're going to keep it style like this. So now we have the field. As you can see, style field. Don't confuse it with like this. So here they have different fields, which is something else. And then style field is only for the style. So now the style fields is the style that you can find it here in styles. There is where you can, as you can see here, we do not have anything. Refresh the page. I'm going to publish this one and then refresh the page. Refresh. Some of this is the default. You can see this is the default style. So we have a welcome to our website, and then there's nothing here. So we're gonna have to add the functionality there. So the way that you add that the style field, let's start. So add field. We need first of all the color, text alignment. For instance, we need text alignment. You click there. So always, once you have this, you can name it differently, but you're gonna just use the default naming convention that you have there. So let's say, for instance, center, and then we copy snippets. We come here because of the style. We're gonna come there, text alignment, put the center. So as I did put like this here, I'm gonna also try to put the, so before to use it, let's first of all put down here so that you can be able to see it nicely. You see, it looks like this. It's going to give you this. So which means that you're going to have to copy this parameters. So that must give you center. Copy the parameter, paste it there, and then give a center. And then it's that one that we're going to use it now here. Center. Here we go. And then you can see your text has been centered. And then we want the color. As you can see also here from the page, if you want to refresh, now we have the functionality there, left, right, center. So now we want to give it a color. You come there, add field, color. Also you can give it a different name, but we're going to keep this one there. But always have a default things that you can use. You must always use a default, add a default value. So it's going to be able, you must be able to pull the variable nicely. Let's use this one here, purple color, and then what else again? Okay, so we have that one, publish, copy snippet, and then let's see how it looks like. So it gives us opacity and then color. Publish, you can see we have opacity and color, so you can use them nicely as you wish. So opacity is giving you like it's 100, So which means that 100%. So Android yourself, I'll be able to try to use it. But in this exercise, we're gonna use color. So when you use the color, text color, just say in this context like this. Yeah, so you're going to use it like that. Field, color. Okay, so we have, so there's the color, and then we have this one there. So if you want to, so we're gonna use it like that. Okay, let's see. Bring it back again, then let's see. It looks like it's coming with its own hashtag. Yeah, it comes with its own hashtag. So we have color there. As you can see, it's coming with its own hashtag there. Yeah, there's the hashtag that's coming with it there. So if you want to convert this one, let's say for instance, we're gonna use this one for the background. So let's say I want to use this one for the background style, background color. So RGB. So here we're gonna use the RGBA stuff. What do we have here? Do we have RGB? So we have RGB. So there is a function called, so we're gonna use we're gonna call this one here background color again. Let's call this one background color. Get a default value, let's say light purple. Okay, so copy snippets. Okay, so we have this one, color opacity. This is the color, so background color, RGBA. So we have to copy it here. So HubSpot has something called RGBA. We're gonna check the reference. CMS blocking, abo reference, RGB. Convert RGBA. So we're gonna use this one here. Do we use this again? Let's see. Convert RGBA. Let's see if it's gonna convert. We're gonna check it nicely. Yeah, so let's test first. We have to test if it's going to convert this one. Convert RGB. Okay, let's see. Yeah, beautiful. It converted. So once you convert it like that, so you copy, paste it. So you're gonna get your conversion there, and then after that we have the opacity. So if you want to add the opacity there, because of his so your opacity there, you're gonna just add it, copy, and then the opacity is gonna be it can be anything. So one, what we do divide by 100. Okay, we have opacity. Oh, sorry, it's only divided by 100 like this. Yeah. Let's see. Looks like this one's gonna work nicely like that. I test it here. The number is supposed to work nicely. Okay, looks like opacity is coming as a number. Okay, just divide by 100. Let's see. Yeah, see what you want to give to us here. 1. Okay, so we're gonna have anything that's gonna be given here is gonna be divided by 100. So we're using this one here. Remove this. Okay, so we have opacity there. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it gave us some opacity. So now we have to add opacity to see if it's really working nicely. Refresh the page. Let's see if we did publish here. Yeah, it's been published. Let's check. Yeah, our opacity is 100. Let's say the opacity go to 100%, 50%. So 50% is gonna be a bit lighter. Okay, let's make it 20%. Okay, 20%. Okay, let's see from the front end if it's reflecting. Doesn't reflect much. Inspect elements. Okay, it's giving us 0. Alright. Alright, divide by 100 opacity. Divide by 100. So for opacity to work, we're gonna have to add a percentage here instead of like this. To give us ratio, let's just add the percentage there. Once you add a percentage, refresh, it's gonna give you that result there. Let's say 40%. You can see it's changing. So now this is the way that you add your opacity there. So now let's see some other stuff. Add fields. What do we have there? Let's say for instance you want to add image. Want to add a background. So we have image or background image. Let's say background image. You choose your image there. Image. Copy snippet. Paste it there. We want to see. So here you must always use. Let's see first of all what variable is going to give to us. Okay, so it's giving us there. Those are the position that you can try to use. Different kind of fields. As you can see, they have resize to fill entire image center, blah blah. So this is the way that you can use your background image as you wish. So for you, if you want to use, for instance, like the image dot source. So if you want like that only the image variable parameters. Let's see. I can see the link only. So we need that link. We copy it. So we're gonna add it to our image here. Background image, and then URL. So is where you add your image there. Let's see. Front end. Yeah, so we need to add things like background cover and other stuff. So the way that you edit. So if you want to use this one here, image alignment. What else we have here? Image alignment. Yeah. display full size, display to show resize to show entire image. Let's see some other settings. So background size cover is already cover, so we're going to target background size. Background size, this is the way that we target. So we have background size. So use this. Copy dot. Yeah, so background size cover. Okay, so let's see. So we have to forget to put the semicolon here. Semicolon. Okay, so we have our background. Yeah, there's the background. So the background is going to be shown like this. There's the background cover. So if you want to change those other stuff, you can see there is a different .css position. Yeah, so you can call all those variables as you wish. So another way, another field. So we have, for instance, like icon. Let's say. So yeah, so they're giving us like a lot of, let's say, for instance, fonts. We choose fonts, book Antica size, like rem. Let's say so for instance, like 3 rem, 5 bold. So if you want like that, go too much there. Let's just put it like that, and then you copy. So this one here, when you copy value, paste, it's showing you everything, as you can see, font size and all the stuff. So they're showing you how to use it. Paste it like that, refresh. Yeah, so now if you want to use it in your stuff, you just copy the style. Copy the style. So you don't need those stuff there. You come down, paste it there. So font size, font family, color. So as we are using this color here, we can remove this one here. So you publish. So now you have your color side and refresh. There you go. So right, or your font size. Sorry, we have to this one there together. So it must show like this. Refresh. There we go. So this for the fonts, and then other stuff that you can use for the style fields. We have gradients, we have background, we have border, we have alignment. Yeah, so if you want to use, are we using alignment already here? Yes. So let's check text alignment. Yeah, text alignment has been used already. So boolean, so you can choose whatever you want for your, yeah, so to use it and stuff. So every time when you're using it, you must always add them first of all, so that it must be visible. For instance, if you want to add gradient, you select the gradient first. If you want to gradient, you select your gradient, bottom, top, the color. You need to get just a, so for instance, you get a dummy color there. Yeah, so dummy color. So this is a gradient feature that we have there, 1, 2, 3, and the opacity. So you copy to paste. So once you paste, you're gonna see it's giving you the variable here. Those are the variables that you can use. For instance, you want to target vertical slide top. So you have first of all side corner. See, so you can target, yeah, let's say let us target this one here, have linear gradient in this way, .css. You want that one there, you copy, and then you put it there, .css. It's going to give us only the linear gradient, as you can see there. So it's something that you can copy. And then if you want to remove the background image, and then you want to use this one only, paste, and see how it's going to look like. There we go. So look something like that. Let's make it a bit less, like this, and then like this. Fresh, yeah. As you can see there, this is how you can use the gradients there. What else again? So there is a lot of field that you can use. So every time you're using, you copy the stuff. You copy, you choose your icon, you copy the field, you paste it there. You see which variable is going to give it to you. It must be visible. And then after that, you're going to just target the parameters for you to get a value and use it to your CSS. So it's better for you to use those modules within this abo. Sometimes it doesn't work here, but you can use it here. Yeah, if you want to, you can use it directly there. Yeah, so which is more efficient. Okay, thank you so much.